Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Metro Exodus downloadable content. First, ensure you own the base game and the specific downloadable content you wish to experience. Then, proceed to download and install the content through your preferred gaming platform. Once installation is complete, simply launch Metro Exodus from your game library. You are now ready to dive into the new adventures awaiting you. Once you are in the game's main menu, navigate to the New Game option. Here, you will find a list of available campaigns, including your installed downloadable content. Select the specific downloadable content story you want to embark on. Before confirming, take a moment to adjust your difficulty settings to match your preferred challenge level. Then, prepare for a fresh journey. Metro Exodus downloadable content typically presents standalone stories, separate from the main campaign. Each one introduces unique characters, new environments, and often distinct gameplay mechanics that keep the experience fresh. You will encounter different objectives and challenges tailored to that specific narrative. Focus on completing these main objectives to advance through the compelling story and uncover all its secrets. To maximize your enjoyment and success in the downloadable content, remember to explore every nook and cranny. Hidden resources, crafting materials, and valuable upgrades are often tucked away. Be prepared to adapt your playstyle, as each downloadable content might present unique enemy types or environmental hazards. Finally, always use your surroundings to your advantage during combat encounters, employing tactical approaches for survival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.